Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Cake Kit is probably one of the most versatile and exciting kitchen tools available today, offering a delightful way for bakers of all skill levels to create stunning and delicious cakes with ease and convenience. Whether you're a seasoned pro looking to save time on complex recipes or a beginner eager to dive into the world of cake decorating, a high-quality cake kit can provide all the essential ingredients and tools needed to achieve professional-looking results right in your own home. Imagine the joy of presenting a beautifully crafted cake at your next celebration, made possible by the simple yet effective design of these all-in-one baking solutions. Number 5. RFAQK PCS Cake Decorating Kit. Unleash your inner baker with this comprehensive cake decorating kit. It includes all the essential tools you need to create stunning cakes for any occasion. Achieve professional-looking results with our smooth rotating cake turntable. It's perfect for decorating cakes for birthdays, weddings, and more, and it's designed for both right and left-handed decorators. Explore a wide variety of decorative patterns with our set of 24 numbered icing tips. A handy guide shows you exactly what each tip can do, making it easy to choose the perfect design. Get flawless finishes with our included spatulas and scrapers. They're designed to help you smooth icing perfectly on the sides and top of your cakes. This kit is perfect for beginners, offering a helpful booklet and video course to guide you through the process. You'll be decorating like a pro in no time. Looking for the perfect gift for a baking enthusiast? This complete set has everything they need to start creating beautiful cakes right away. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive set of tools for all your baking needs. It includes numbered icing tips with a helpful guide, making it easy to achieve various decorations. If you are a beginner looking for a complete package to start your cake decorating journey, this is an excellent choice. What people say? The cake kit is a great value for the price. It was easy to use and the cake turned out beautifully. I loved the variety of designs included in the kit. Number 4. 567 PCS Cake Decorating Kit. Discover a comprehensive baking set designed to elevate your cake-making skills. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need to create professional-looking cakes right at home. From leak-proof pans to decorating tools, this set includes a turntable, cake leveler, molds, spatulas, and so much more. You'll have all the essentials for any baking project. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned baker, this kit is designed for you. It includes a variety of tips, bags, and molds to help you create intricate designs and beautiful cupcakes. Crafted with your safety in mind, all components are made from food-grade stainless steel, silicone, and plastic. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your creations are made with reliable and reusable materials. With 3 different sizes of springform pans, you can bake anything from delicate cheesecakes to impressive multi-layer cakes. These non-stick pans ensure easy release every time. Surprise the cake enthusiast in your life with this ultimate decorating set. It's the perfect present for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion to share the joy of homemade treats. What we like? This is an incredibly extensive set with over 500 pieces, ensuring you have every tool imaginable. It also features multiple springform pans in different sizes, perfect for creating layered cakes or cheesecakes. If you're a serious cake enthusiast or looking to bake a wide variety of cakes, this comprehensive set is ideal. What people say? This kit provided pretty much everything I needed, and I watched YouTube videos to learn how to use it all. The individual pieces were of better quality than I expected, and the wide variety of tips has been fun to experiment with. It comes with a variety of piping bags, tons of piping tips in different designs, tools for smoothing icing, and fondant decoration tools. The amount of stuff you get for the price is amazing. I love that it even includes a turntable, which makes decorating so much easier. The piping bags are sturdy and easy to use, and the tips create clean, detailed designs. The pans are of good quality, have a suitable weight, and are easy to clean. Number 3. Baketivity DIY Cake Pop Baking Kit for Kids. Get ready for a delightful baking experience. Our kit comes with all the pre-measured dry ingredients you need, ensuring yummy cake pops without any fuss. No special machine required. Baking is a breeze with our simple, step-by-step instructions. Featuring kid-friendly illustrations and color-coded ingredients, it's perfect for bakers of all ages to create something special. This kit is more than just baking, it's a fun way to learn essential kitchen skills. Watch your child build confidence as they create their own delicious masterpiece. Looking for a memorable gift? This kit provides a wonderful opportunity for family bonding. Create lasting memories baking together, making it a perfect present for kids or grandkids. Unlock a video guide from our head baker by scanning the QR code. With expert tips and all the supplies, your child will feel like a true baking professional. What we like? This kit focuses on making cake pops with pre-measured dry ingredients and easy-to-follow, illustrated instructions. It's designed to be a fun and educational activity for children. If you're looking for a simple, engaging baking project for kids that doesn't require special equipment, this is the perfect option. What people say. The pre-measured ingredients are a lifesaver. They make it simple for younger kids to follow along without getting overwhelmed, and it really helps them feel like they're doing everything all by themselves. The instructions were easy to follow, the decorating supplies were adorable, and we had so much fun putting everything together. Best of all, the cake pops came out delicious and looked great too. The kit is fully prepared, all ingredients in their own pouches, and the instructions are amazingly simple and illustrated. Number 2. KAMIDA 372 PCS Cake Decorating Kit. Introducing the KAMIDA 372 PCS Cake Decorating Kit, your all-in-one solution for creating stunning desserts. This comprehensive set is perfect for both beginners and seasoned bakers looking to elevate their creations. This kit includes a non-slip turntable, a variety of piping bags and tips, spatulas, a cake leveler, and much more. You'll have all the essential tools to bring your sweetest visions to life. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade materials like 304 stainless steel and silicone, our tools are built to last. They are sturdy, reusable, and meet U.S. food safety standards for your peace of mind. The smooth rotating turntable with a non-slip base ensures stability, making decorating a breeze. Achieve professional-looking results with ease, whether you're making cheesecakes, cupcakes, or fondant cakes. With 48 numbered tips and 100 disposable bags, the creative options are limitless. Decorate cakes, chocolates, cupcakes, and cookies for any occasion, from everyday treats to grand celebrations. Handmade cakes are a wonderful way to express your love and sincerity. This kit provides everything you need to create memorable desserts for birthdays, weddings, and anniversaries. What we like? This kit provides a substantial number of pieces, including a stable, non-slip turntable for smooth decorating. It's made with high-quality, food-grade materials suitable for various cake types. If you want a robust set with excellent stability for decorating, this option is a great fit for both beginners and pros. What people say. It comes with so many tools and materials to make beautiful cakes. They work great, have lasted many rounds of cake making, are easy to use, and durable. There are tons of piping tips for her to experiment with in particular. Number 1. GirlZone Cake Pop Craze Kit. Get ready for a baking adventure. This fun and engaging set is perfect for young chefs to create delicious edible masterpieces. Transform your creations into delightful party supplies. Make your homemade treats the star of any gathering with this must-have set. Imagination and skill building go hand in hand with this set. It helps develop coordination while having a blast away from screens. Follow the simple guide and watch the magic happen, perfect for beginners. Boost confidence with each delicious success. Wrapped in vibrant colors, this is the ultimate gift for birthdays or special occasions. Inspire young chefs with endless joy. What we like? This kit is specifically designed for younger bakers, focusing on the fun of making cake pops. It comes with a mold, stand, and a decorating pen to encourage creativity. If you're looking for a gift that sparks imagination and provides a fun, screen-free activity for kids aged 10 to 12, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This little set produced mini cookies, brownies, and muffins. I got to try some of the cake pops they made and it tasted so good. It came with a lot of stuff and that the quality of it is fitting. Not super fancy but not so cheap it'll break. And it's decently sized too, perfect for needing to store away. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.